topic is safe environment. Let's start. A healthy environment is very important for all living things on the earth. So we need to save our environment. We need to keep our city clean. Do not throw garbage anywhere. Use dustbins. We do not use more personal vehicles. We need to use public transport. Stop cutting trees. Save forest for global warming. Use natural sources of energy for electricity. Do not waste drinking water. Do not throw garbage in pond, river and sea.
Dakshata Yadav from class 3rd section A. Environment. The environment is the most important aspect to survive on this planet. Humans tend to forget that without a balanced environment, life cannot be sustained. Hence, to spread awareness, I made this model. Riding bicycle. We must use bicycle as a mode of transportation. It is a pollution-free mode of transport. Don't cut trees. Deforestation increases amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere and soil erosion. Stop pollution. Pollution causes global warming, acid rain, smoke formation, which is a hazard to all living organisms. Save water. Overuse of water could repeat depletion of ground and water in various regions, leading or lowering all groundwater levels. Recycle. Recycling reduces the need for extracting every processing raw material. It reduces pollution. Save animals. Animals maintain the health of an ecosystem. We must keep on animals in their natural place. Do not litter. Littering causes a threat to our health and can cause harmful germs and bacteria. To prevent that, we should help and litter. Grow plants. Trees are vital. They give us oxygen, control fluid, activate the soil and give to the world wildlife. In the end, I want to say it is important to save and protect our environment. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shrishti Sinsira. I study in class 3rd from one of the members Medium School Saranga. Today my topic is safe environment, not environment friendly, environment friendly. First, people throw plastic bag everywhere. Don't use plastic bags. Use paper or jute bags. Second, people wash their animal utensils, caught in ponds. People don't use pond water. Wash them at home. Third, people cut tree they use. They should grow more and more plants.
How to conserve environment? First point, we should practice 3 R's: reduce, recycle. We should grow more plants and more trees to save our environment. Animal are beauty of nature. Protection of animal is our responsibility. Use less electricity. Consume solar energy. Petrol and diesel automobile are reason of air pollution. Bike more, drive less. Always prevent noise pollution. Always save water. Factory is main reason of air pollution. Thank you.
Respected principal sir, principal ma'am, all teachers and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. My name is Yasraj Mirala. I read in class 3rd. My school name is Mona Modern English Medium School Sarangarh. And today my topic is Save Environment. Environment consists natural resources like air, water, soil, etc. Plants and animals are also the part of our environment. We must stop and avoid poly and plastic bags. We must use of paper bags. We can avoid petroleum by using public transport and save electricity. We need plants more and more trees and stop cutting down the forest. A clean and green atmosphere is important to live peaceful and healthy life. By using renewable source of energy like windmill, solar panel, etc. Windmill uses wind energy for producing electricity. Solar panel uses sunlight for producing electricity. Rainwater harvesting, use of paper bags, use of public transport, save forest, save garden, windmill, solar panel, save trees, save water, save environment. Thank you for listening.
Dear principal, teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Balaji Banjare. I study in class 3rd in Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today I am telling about safe environment. Number 1, do not throw garbage in pond. Number 2, we use dustbin. Number 3, do not use more vehicle. Number 4, animal safe in zoo. Number 5, do not cut tree. Number 6, we use water harvesting system. Thank you, ma'am, to listen to me.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ashik Shan. I read in class 3rd Lotus. Today my topic is our environment. The process of making air, water, soil dirty is called pollution. Cutting of trees make many problems like global warming, reduction of rainfall, etc. To stop pollution, we should plant more and more trees. Use bus stop. Use public transport to use public transport. Use public transport to reduce air pollution. Do not dump in water body. Use biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Do not we protect our wild animal. Always remember to principle of reuse, reduce, recycle to make our environment clean and healthy. We use this rule.
Principal sir, teachers, and my dear all friends. My name is Avika Agrawal. I read in class 3rd. My school name is Mona Model English Medium School Sarangarh. Today my topic is safe environment. Definition of safe environment. We see land, water, air, trees are surrounding. It is called environment. There are 4 types of pollution: water pollution, land pollution, air pollution, noise pollution. Water pollution. Do save river. Do not washing cloth. Do not bathing animal. Do not throw garbage in the river. Use dustbin. Land pollution. Do not throw garbage in the land. Do not use plastic. Use paper bag. Save forest. Do not cutting trees. More planting. Air pollution. Harmful gases. Factories. Firecrackers. Bicycle. Use public transport. Noise pollution. Do not loudspeaker. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Pratik Nirala from class 3rd Mona Model English Medium School Sarangarh, and today my topic is save our environment. The natural world, for example, land, air and water, which animal, people and plant live in is called environment. Plastic and paper should be strictly recycled so that garbage dumps can be reduced. Water is essential for life on earth. We get water from river, rain, lake, well, etc. We need water for cooking, drinking, bathing, etc. So save water. We need plant more and more trees and stop cutting down trees and forests. We need to show respect the other creature on earth. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Arya Sol. I read in class 3rd. My school name is Mona Model English Medium School Sarangarh. My topic is safe environment. Jahan. I study in class 3rd. Today my topic is environment. This is air pollution. This is noise pollution. This is water pollution. This is land pollution. Thank you.
Lisha Dansena, class 3rd. My subject is SST. My project work is save environment. Save the tree, save the animal, save the river, use dustbin, bus stop. Thank you.